Hello, this is Dana Jones with Medley Equipment Company. I'm here in Springdale, Arkansas. We're going to start a new series going over our planned maintenance program. Today we're going to go over one of 17 different items that we cover on the planned maintenance. We're going to hone in today on the operational check. Today we have Mike. He's going to go over the process with us and show you exactly what we do when we come out to your business to do planned maintenance. Thanks, Mike.
First thing we do is get on the machine, start the machine up. Notice that the indicators are on for neutral, park brake, and seat belt. Apply the seat belt indicator goes out, park brake's on. Now the park brake indicator's off, so they're working fine. From there, go to a function test by lifting it up, make sure that it runs smoothly. Bring it back down, make sure that it moves smoothly. From here, we check the side shift, make sure that it moves to the right, to the left smoothly. Check the tilt function, make sure it tilts forward and backwards all the way. From there, check the transmission, put it in forward, mash the brake, the brakes are working, stop, apply the e-brake, it holds the truck in position on level ground. Same procedure in reverse. E-brake holds in reverse as well. From here, you look at the steer tires, rotate it, make sure that it goes fully in both directions, smoothly. From there, we check the position of the steering wheel, tilt, make sure that it catches in each position, doesn't flop or drop down. That's our basic function check.
Again, this was the first volume on our video series. Today we took care of the operational check. You can see we have 17 more different sections to go. Anyway, we appreciate your help, and Mike, I appreciate you helping me do the video.
You're welcome.